So I'm going upstairs. So will you guys be able to see me up there? Let's see. Yes, you will. So you guys should enjoy this. I know I am. The easy way of carrying things down and a good way of taking things apart. It didn't break as thought I would. No, that I'm not going to throw down there. That I'm going to go through. Whee! Actually, some of this stuff I'm gonna keep up here and go through it a little bit better. Yeah, that's dirty and faded. An ostrich. So, a lot of this stuff I am going to keep up here. This is some kind of patio. I'll try to sell that. Needs painting, but you know, lamp, garbage. See if that lamp works. And then a table. Yeah, it's a small little outside patio table. I'll sell it for 25 bucks just to get it out of here. You know, maybe 30 bucks. You know, let somebody clean it up and get rid of it. Now this I'm going to keep up here just in case he wants that back. up here. What's this? Stay. Oh, look at that. A Verizon SIM card. And a Samsung battery, which has gold plating on it. Somebody told me that once box was sold. So, I'll keep that. This. Yeah. This is trash. We got a fan, which, if I can get it to work right, I might just keep that here for the summertime. Just trying to figure out what all this wood is for. I have no clue. No clue whatsoever. But I'll try to sell the mattress. Doesn't look like it's in bad condition. So, well, that got rid of some of the stuff up here. Ugh. So yeah, and I'll throw all this stuff out tonight to get it out of here. So if you like the video, subscribe. I'm still getting the shop together. So let's continue on this journey together, and maybe, just maybe, there'll be light at the end of this tunnel. So hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, or don't. See you guys later. Peace. GoPro, stop recording.